Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll approach bodily discomfort with spacious acceptance, relaxing our resistance towards the unpleasant and learning to meet sensations with loving awareness. Dealing with discomfort can quickly become all-consuming, so it's natural to wish for it to change or to resist it in some way. And though it might feel counterintuitive at first, accepting our pain reduces its impact on our lives. Take a moment to get comfortable. As you sit with a long spine, ensure you're not creating unnecessary tension. And if you need to, you can choose to lie down for this meditation, placing a rolled blanket or pillow under your knees and lengthening the back of your neck. And when you're ready, slowly close your eyes. As you settle in, take a few deep breaths. With each of your exhalations, soften your body. Let the muscles in your face relax. Soften your neck. Release your shoulders and arms. Bring ease through your torso and back. And let this wave of relaxation spread down through your pelvis and down your legs to your toes. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Observe the air naturally flowing in and out of your body. Notice the coolness of your breath as it enters your nose, allowing your breath to shape itself. And for the next few moments, accept the feeling of inhaling and exhaling without trying to change it. And now, let your awareness widen. Keeping your breath as a backdrop to your experience, notice how your body feels in this moment. Let go of any judgments or labels. Imagine you are observing your experience as though you're looking in from the outside. Notice where you are storing tension in your body. If there is pain, where is it located? And also notice where your body is most relaxed. With a sense of open awareness and acceptance, make room for whatever sensations are present. Take a few moments to explore how you feel with more curiosity. As you're narrowing in, notice the subtleties. Is there tingling or pressure? Perhaps there is tension or gripping, burning or throbbing. Rather than resisting or rejecting your discomfort, lean into it as though passively observing the nuances. Notice how your sensations shift subtly from moment to moment. You're not trying to change anything here. Instead, you're merely taking note of whatever your experience is right now, observing each moment as it passes. And if you get overwhelmed, know that you can return to your breath whenever you need to. Stay with your inhales and exhales as long as you need, and when you feel ready, return to your sensations once more. As you continue to observe your discomfort with awareness and acceptance, if it feels right, silently repeat the following affirmations a few times. I accept this experience of discomfort. I accept this experience of discomfort. I accept this moment just as it is. I accept this moment just as it is. I accept myself just as I am. I accept myself just as I am. Now, allow the words to dissolve and return to your breathing. Let your awareness rest on your breath, following it from the moment your natural inhale begins to the very end of your exhale. Watching the cycle of your breath as your body gently expands and contracts. The air flowing in and flowing out again and again. Now, let your attention widen. Discomfort is inevitable, whether it comes from aging, injury, or illness. It is a natural part of life, and since it is unpleasant, it's normal to react with resistance, fear, or aversion. We might even start to think of our body as an enemy. But the more we avoid our pain, the more overwhelming it becomes. Mindfulness invites us to approach our discomfort with loving acceptance. Studies have shown this is a crucial part of pain management. By no means is this an easy task, but with practice, we can learn to accept our bodies with friendliness, even and especially when we are uncomfortable. Rather than broadly labeling our experience as pain with a capital P, we can bring attention to specific sensations. This helps us return to the here and now. When we notice there is tension in one part of the body, we can also feel that there is ease elsewhere simultaneously. With patient practice, we become more receptive to the changing landscape of our experience. And when met with kindness and acceptance, that experience becomes a little less intimidating and a little more bearable over time. So the next time you catch yourself overwhelmed by your experience, take a step back, breathe deeply, and with openness and acceptance, let go of judgments and lean into the sensations. Now, gently return to your breath. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and let's meet back here tomorrow.